Forget your Roblox password and don't know how to reset it? If you want to get it back and log into your account quickly, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step how to reset your Roblox password easily. So let's get started. If you're currently logged into Roblox, click the gear icon in the top right corner and click on Log Out. Now on the login page, click on Forgot Password or Username at the bottom. Now choose how you want to recover your account. You can choose email or phone number. Type in your email or phone number and press Submit. Go to your email inbox and look for an email from Roblox. Enter your new password. Re-enter it to confirm. Then press Submit. You'll be signed into your account automatically. So that's how you can reset your Roblox password on your PC. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.